How to fix age restriction on TikTok. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can fix age restriction on TikTok, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now sometimes what happens over here is that when you open the TikTok app and then you try to watch a specific video, it says that the content is restricted or maybe some kind of general issues as such. And what do you do in order to go ahead and fix those? The very first thing you can do is just come to the profile icon from the bottom right hand side to come to the profile page over here like this. Then you want to make sure to tap the three lines icon from the top right and then go to settings and privacy. Then you want to scroll, look for content preferences, and at the top you can find restricted mode. You can tap on it, and then here you can see currently it is turned on. So to turn it off, just tap the turn off option here. If you have set a passcode, you can simply enter that passcode, tap the next option, and restricted mode will be successfully turned off. The other times what it happens is that your TikTok account is underage, so you can just tap the three lines icon, go to the settings and privacy option, go to the account option, and then over here you'll be able to see account information, and then here you can see your date of birth. Once you select your date of birth, and then you will be able to simply create a new date of birth here. Just make sure that you enter your date of birth that will at least make you over 18 years of age, so that next time you will not get any type of restricted errors. And after you've done that, you can refresh the TikTok application, and then you should be good to go from there onwards. So hope this video helped you guys. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.